to modified sniper swing trades one day at a time for July 21st, 2026. The best one is Google, and you can see it has a very tight compression on the 1 day. This is a double leverage Google. Tight compression on the 1 day, extreme range on the 5 day and 10 day, and they are almost as large as the entire 30 day. But the breakout from this quietude, if it goes short, you got a couple clear targets, and if it breaks below 100, then it's massive short. But you also have about a 6-to-1 to the upside. If it breaks out to the upside, your targets would be spine of the dragon, SMA 30, top of the dragon, top of the RL10, and the PSAR dots, 10-day high. So you get a lot of laddered prices on the way up. If we looked at wheat and precious metals, this is one that has had a harsh sell-off, but a nice little recovery here near its 10-day high and range expansion, and closed very well. Be looking for continuation tomorrow to cross the SMA 30, and then the recent this little resistance level here, and then the top of the RL10 at the PSAR. So quite a lot of room for this to work out. The doji was resolved in the direction of range expansion. That was a very tradable move intraday, as we can just see on the 10-day or the intraday on the 10-minute chart. That gap up and never look back. So the doji that it was involved with yesterday was good. Wheat and precious was one of our primary swing trades of the day frames from yesterday. So Kennett Tortoise Capital, keep your risk measured and your powder dry.